Hi, my name is Michael Skay. I'm a broker associate with Ward White Sotheby's International Realty in Spring Lake. And I'm welcoming you here to my new listing at 4 Water's Edge in BRIELLE. Right on the Glimmer glass in Debbie's Creek. It's a community of 12 townhomes, and the name of the community is Drawbridge West. And 4 Water's Edge is the premier location within the community. Let's take a look. This is absolutely a magnificent home, but the most amazing thing about it are the views that are commanded. To the north, we have the Glimmer glass, and to the south is Debbie's Creek. The views are just incredible, particularly from the master bedroom, as you'd seen. Thanks so much for joining me on the tour, 4 Water's Edge. If you have any interest in having a private tour, please give me a call, 732-272-5898. Thank you.